Hey guys, today I'm going to try cooking a pork tri-tip roast on my kettle. So let's kick the tire and light the fire. I didn't know there was such thing as pork tri-tip, but you can see right here, pork shoulder tri-tip, boneless. This one is 2.8 pounds with up to 12% of a solution of pork, broth, salt, and natural flavor. So all I did was put some mild barbecue rub on it last night. I used that J. Christopher rub that I use a lot, and because it's pretty light on the salt, so I just used that. Seasoned it last night and put it in the refrigerator. So I just pulled it out about an hour ago. It's been sitting on the counter. I'll just put my temp probe kind of into the thickest part of it right here. And my plan is to just cook this until the internal temperature is about 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This looks like a fairly lean piece of meat, so I'm going to try to keep the grill temperature below 250 degrees. I put water in the reservoir of the slow and sear there. I don't know if I really need it for this or not, but I did anyway. So I'm just going to get the lid on there and let this start cooking. It's been an hour and 45 minutes. My meat temperature is 131. The grill temperature is 228. So let's take a look at this. I've opened the lid and checked it a couple of times. I've been using the binder clips on the lid to help seal my lid better. I was having problems with it leaking and I couldn't keep my temperatures down very well. The temperatures kept creeping up. So those binder clips help a lot, but let's see how the meat looks. It looks really good. I've been spraying a little bit of apple juice on it each time I open the lid to check on it. Kind of just gives a meat a little bit nicer color along with that rub. I did this same combination of rub and apple juice on some ribs not long ago, and they turned out with a really nice color at the end. So I'm just going to get the lid back on and let this finish cooking until it hits 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll take it in the house and give it a taste test. I have my top vent about halfway open, and that bottom one is just kind of right in between those first two holes. This looks really good. I'm just going to cut right into the center of it and see how it looks in the middle. Looks pretty good. Slice off a piece there. Give it a try. I know some people are going to say, oh, that's too pink. No, I took its temperature. Pork only needs to be cooked at 145, so it's all good. Sometimes pork looks a little pink. That turned out really moist and juicy. Cooked at a low heat like that, it didn't dry it out. That's fairly lean meat, so 225 degrees approximately for about 2.5 hours for that particular roast, and I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy with that. Annie was going after a fly. She hates flies. I hate flies too. She's a good fly catcher. All right, have a piece of meat, Annie, and then go get that fly after. So that was a pork tri-tip. I didn't know there was such a thing, but it was good. To be able to make some good sandwiches for a couple days. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.